In this video, I'll be showing you how to use NotebookLM to read and translate documents from other languages. To begin, I'll click on the Create New button in the top right corner of my dashboard to start a new notebook. Once the interface loads, a window appears asking me to add my sources, and I'm going to select a PDF from my local files. I'm uploading a document titled AI_S, which is a detailed report written entirely in Spanish. After the file finishes uploading, you'll see it appear in the Sources panel on the left, and NotebookLM will provide a high-level overview of the content. To get a full translation, I'll go to the chat bar at the bottom and type the instruction, "Read and translate to English." As I wait for the response, the AI is busy exploring the material, reading through every chapter, and synthesizing the most important information from the text. The generated results provide a clear one-page summary that explains how artificial intelligence is designed to perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. To see the original structure, I can open the source guide on the left, which now shows the translated summary with clear Spanish headings like Salud and Finanzas. This feature is perfect for anyone needing to quickly understand and organize complex information written in a different language without losing the original context. It makes global research and cross-language documentation much more accessible for everyone. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.